What do we have here? Another replacement set. You've seen I did a video saying I got the replacement for my defective Testo that was having many different issues. If you go back and look at all the videos that I've done on the 557S with multiple different issues. So this one right here, I just opened it up out of the box, and when I opened the box up, this is the first time it's coming out on the field, the screen was on and this was off inside my there it goes again. It just came back on. All I did was pick it up like this and it just came on. I didn't hit the on button, I didn't hit the off button, and there we go again. Look at that, and it just goes off again. So this is the problem I'm having. Brand new Testo out of the box, taken out on the field with me for the very first time. You see I'm using an old set of backup analog gauges because batteries don't go out and they don't have electrical problems. And these are cheap garbage eBay ones. As you can see, it's under a vacuum and it says 80 plus, but I'm not using the gauges. I don't need gauges for that. Plus I got my field piece wireless. All my other vacuum pumps and all my other gauges are on other jobs on vacuum, getting ready for me to charge up. So I decided this is a good opportunity to use this brand new unit out of the box to what just came on in my hand. Okay, Testo. Well, let's go ahead and use this the best we can. And I was trying to hook up with this. I can't hook up with this on my, it wouldn't find it. It just would not find it on the app. And I was trying to get it to hook up and it was having an issue not finding it. So I got to figure out that problem right now. And let me get on, see if I can get this thing working long enough where I can actually do a video. This is the replacement unit. And when I opened the box, like I said before, opening the box and the screen was on.